What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new one, and today we're talking about audio remixing within Adobe Audition. Now more often than not, a client will give you a target duration for your video length. That could be either 1 minute, 2 minutes, or even 30 seconds. It could be literally anything, and it's your job as the editor to remix the music to match that target duration. Now for the longest time, I thought the only way to remix a song would be by doing it manually in Adobe Premiere Pro, duplicating sections with the same rhythm and beat, and just doing that process over and over again, adding crossfades. It kind of gets messy at times, and you often need a good eye in audio to make sure that you're doing this process correctly. Now to save yourself the headache, you can actually have this entire process completed within Adobe Audition. So for example, you're in Premiere Pro and you have your music track loaded into the timeline. What you can do is right click on that track and go to Edit Clip in Adobe Audition. Then create a multi-track session by hitting that button in the top left-hand corner. Drag and drop your song onto one of the tracks. I usually just put it onto the first one. Go over to the Properties panel on the left-hand side and click on the button that says Enable Remix. Now this is where the magic starts to happen. Click on the target duration and you can change this number to whatever you want, and Adobe Audition will automatically resize your song to match that duration. Now, once you do this, make sure to scan through the song where all those little squiggly lines are, ensure those transitions actually sound good. Now, sometimes Adobe Audition screws up in certain portions and it doesn't really sound right. What you can do is go back into the properties window and try playing around with some of those other sliders until the song sounds correct. Once you're done, a really quick way to bring the song back into Adobe Premiere is just by going up to the top, hitting File, and then Export to Adobe Premiere Pro. And then one more dialog box will pop up once that's done in Adobe Premiere, and it'll ask you whether if you want it on a new track or on one of your existing tracks. I usually just put it onto a new track to make sure I'm not overlapping this new remix song on any of my pre-existing audio layers. So there you go guys, that's just a quick little way on how to remix your audio using Adobe Audition. If you liked it, hit that like button down below, subscribe if you're new, comment, do all those amazing things down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.